Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome to this video. Today I wanted to pop by here to just quickly talk to you guys about a supplement that's been helping so many people restore their mobility. A supplement that's been helping people fight against neuropathy, against that old nasty sciatic nerve pain. No more waking up in the middle of the night feeling that soreness in your back or on your necks, because now we have Nervecalm amongst us. And Nervecalm is such an exquisite dietary supplement. It really helps you to restore your nerves, but better yet, it has ingredients that are natural, that are good for your health, and well, that simply works wonder. And today I am here to give you full details about Nervecalm, like what it is, how you can expect it to work, how great it is, and so much more. But before we move on, if you want to purchase Nervecalm, they have an official webpage, and I left for you their link right here below this video in the description box, guys. So you can pop over there directly to get to know a little bit more about it, to purchase it, to also understand how it works and so much more. Okay, so that's their official webpage. But guys, the first thing you need to know about Nervecalm is that, that heating sensation, those pins and needles, that pain that you feel every time you're going to stand up, sit down, do a stretch, or you get the picture, right? It's going to be gone for sure, and it does that because Nervecalm has ingredients that are really good for your nerves. Well, I have some of the ingredients right here. It's called marshmallow root. There is also cordialis. There is alfalfa and California poppy seed. Alfalfa. I think that's the right word for it. But all these ingredients are natural, and that's what makes Nervecalm such an exquisite supplement, because these ingredients, they help you target the root cause of your nerve issues. So usually it's an inflammation, right? And no matter how many anti-inflammatories you take, it's not going to completely remove that inflammation. So Nervecalm has these ingredients that are antioxidants and anti-inflammatories naturally. It will help you to target that root cause of that inflammation and start healing it directly from there. And the beauty of Nervecalm is that these nutrients, these ingredients, they help you to not just get rid of that inflammation, but also restore your nerves at a cellular level. It's going to help you regenerate your nerves, directly from the root. So that's why when people use Nervecalm, they experience no more pain. They experience better sleep at night. They experience more mobility and more freedom to move about freely. And it's cool because it does all of this through these natural ingredients. So you don't have to be depending on chemically induced medicines anymore, because this has no side effects. This has no contraindications. And all you got to do is just take your treatment seriously, guys. Nervecalm can be used for 3 whole months or 6 whole months. I always tell people that if you are struggling with nerve pain, you can go for 6 months because you really use the benefits of Nervecalm. You really get the results in there, Especially people suffering with sciatic nerve pain. This is incredible. Nervecalm has been helping people treat so many different types of nerve issues. So give it a shot. And hey, just in case Nervecalm does not meet up to your needs or your standards, there's a money back guarantee that comes along with it. So, in case you need your money back, you get it at the official webpage too. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.